this blizzard in the city of Chicago right now is predicted to be the worst winter that we ever had. It is also predicted that it's supposed to be the worst since 1967. Now I know all you old people or senior citizens remember the blizzard of 1967. Here we are.
At 5:02 a.m. on this day, nothing remarkable about that. In January in Chicago, besides 4 inches of snow, it had been predicted of snowing all through Thursday and into early Friday morning until it finally stopped at 10 a.m. By the end, we had 23 inches of snow covered in Chicago suburbs, the largest single snowfall in the city's history.
They say, according to the news prediction, they say that we're supposed to get at least about 2 feet. Okay. 2 feet is right here. You see my hair? 2 feet. And the storm's supposed to last to 3 p.m. tomorrow. So we got a long way to go. And the snow is still coming. He did. He was like, that nigga got a gun?
And a cold spot! I don't care about the boat. The doctor tell you to done, huh? You don't. Medio, brother. Medio, to God. Now medio, want you to blow to God.
Open up your, what is the ISO? You got ISO, like 400, 100. That's the iris.
Okay, as you can see, we live here in Chicago right now at the 2001 blizzard. We standing out here on what street is this, brother? We on 93rd State. Hit that train right there. Get that glance of that train. We out here catching footage of the 2001 biggest blizzard of all time. We're gonna use it. We're gonna upload this footage. We're gonna stay in tune. It's about, what time is it? About 7:30. We got about 7, 8 inches of snow right now, but we coming to you live from URBANE News out here in Chicago. We're gonna keep it real. One love. Peace.
Hello, today is February the 2nd, 2011. Today is one of the worstest days in the city of Chicago history. This snowstorm, which is a blizzard, is predicted to be the #1 blizzard in the history of the city of Chicago. Now let's take a look at the Dan Ryan. This is 94. Traffic is at an all-time slow. UNTV1, URBANE News.
from detail. We're gonna go interview a few customers and a few people out on the streets and see if we can find people out on the streets and